All right. Where is it? There it is. This is box 1. Pedro's in it. John Ketteris. Sean. Dan. I'm just tagging everybody quick. Peter. Sam's in it. What else we got? Kenny. Scott. Scott Meadows. Brett. Bob. Ross. Surtek. Who else? Sam. Bob. Kenny, Pedro, Sean, Chris Lee's in it. Matt Armstrong. Here, Mike is in it. Zach Myers. How's everybody doing? And Corey. There we go. Box number 1. It's live. Alright, everybody's tagged to it. That's there. I can see it. I have a checklist to the other side of me. And we will... I got it perfectly set up now. Alright, cool. Alright, before I open it, we have team-wise in the first box. This is a sealed case. We're going to open it. Cardinals went to Pedro. Falcons, John Ketteris. Ravens, Sean Richardson. Bills, Dan DeClerc. Panthers, Pedro Soto. Bears, John Ketteris. Bengals, Pedro got it in the random. Browns, Pedro. Cowboys, Sam Wilson. Broncos, Kenny Horton. Detroit, Scott Meadows. Packers, John Ketteris. Texans, Brett Ross. Pedro got the Colts. Surtek got the Jags. Sam Wilson, Chiefs. Raiders, Pedro got him. Chargers, Bob Surtak. Rams, Kenny Horton. Pedro got the Miami Dolphins. Sean Richardson got the Vikings. Patriots, Chris Lee. Matt Hemstrought got the Saints. Pedro got the Giants and Jets. And the Eagles. Steelers was Mike Kefauver. Pedro got the 49ers and the Seahawks. Corey Carell, Buccaneers. Titans, Pedro. And the Redskins went to Zach Myers. And that is how the first box played out. I'll set that here for now. And let's get this thing open. All right. There you go. I'll just pull the top one out. There's the box. You can see. There it is, all the info on it. 5 boxes per case, 6 cards per pack, 1 back per box. There you go. And we'll put that there for now, and we will knock out the first one. Then I'll get offline and restart it and do the second one right afterwards. The only thing I'm waiting on to do the third is the Redskins. And I can knock out that one. And then, the rest of the fillers, there's only 3 fillers. And I think there's 17 spots left. We can break this whole thing today. I think Bowman HTA is not that far off from doing at least a half case today. That'd be kind of cool. I've got Immaculate Baseball coming in. I want to kind of throw that up just to change up the pace for Bowman. So I have another case following that HTA one. Oh, cool. Yeah, I saw that. That dropped us to 17, I think. We had 19. All right. I got the top loaders and the sleeves next to me. Here is box 1. Green Immaculate tins. I'm so used to throwing that to the right. Move this trash can. There we go. Now I can focus. Alright. Football on a Sunday. Looks a little bit thicker than normal. Should probably have one of those thick cards in it. Okay, there's the seal. There's the other seal. And carefully open that bad boy. Yeah, there's something in there. Really thick one. Holy cow. Right in the middle. Jeez, oh man. Alright. So, I'm going to be smart. And as I see them, I'm going to quick look them up. And then I will be able to tell you. Because I'm not a football guy that great. Alright, your first one is a Daniel Jones blue parallel. It's a Blue Devils card, but he's a Giants. That is 11 out of 25. That's a pretty cool looking jumbo. So the Giants get one. I believe that's Pedro. Duke Blue Devils uniform now. And then we have, I think I remember this one. Yeah, let me see if I remember right. I'm pretty sure I do. Oop. And I was right. Yep. Second card. It's a pretty thick one. And it's going to Henry Ruggs III, which is the Raiders. 29 out of 96. Crimson Tide card. It's a glove card. So the Raiders picked that one up in the first one. Who has the Raiders in the first one? That would be Pedro again. And I'll have to put that in a magnetic. Put that on the sleeve for now. Right there. That's cool. We pulled one of them in the last two boxer. Then we got this giant card. Let me see who this goes to. And it is, I think this is a decent one if I remember right. Yeah. This one is a giant of a card. J.K. Dobbins. Cleats card. 14 out of 22. Look at this bad boy. Looks like Ohio State uniform, but he's going to the Ravens. Ravens is Sean Richardson in this. That's really indented, see it? This messed me up home. I'll keep it back there. This thing's not. It doesn't like the shininess of it. But that thing's super thick. That's more than a 360. That's probably the biggest top loader they have. I got to get for that. So that's cool. Separate those two by a sleeve. So back-to-back thicker cards. We have gloves and cleats and a jumbo. And then we're going to follow it with, I think I know this one too. But I'm just going to make sure because they're all in college. I've got it right next to me. This is going to go to the Redskins. Rookie patch auto, Steven Montez. 65 out of 99. He's wearing a Colorado uniform. Redskins is Zach Myers in this first box. Then we go to, I believe I know this one already. I don't even need to worry about it. This is a Jaguar, right? Rookie patch auto, Colin Johnson. Going 22 out of 99. He's going for Texas, but he's going to go to the Jaguars. That's a Bob Surtak card. Yeah, Montez does have a nice auto. And then who's this? I don't know this guy. I haven't seen him yet. This one's going to the Broncos. Rookie patch auto, Jerry Jeudy from Alabama, 21 out of 25. Denver Broncos. That is Kenny Horton in this one. There you go. Nice. And our last one, easily enough, is the same guy. Jerry Jeudy, University of Alabama. That looks like maybe a numbered piece of the numbering. Jumbo. Debut jumbo like in baseball. 20 out of 49. Rookie card. Autograph something or another. Looks like the lettering maybe in his jersey. That white part. There you go. 2 Denver Broncos in the first box. So, recapping. Denver Broncos, Jerry Jeudy. We got another one, rookie patch auto, same guy. We've got a Jacksonville Jaguar, Colin Johnson from Texas, rookie patch auto. And we got Montez. Oh, where's he from again? Oh, these guys kick my butt. Well, Daniel Jones goes to the Giants. And Montez, it's going to kill me. I'll keep getting it. Oh, yeah, I'll get these guys eventually. Montez is a Redskins. Okay, I remember that. Redskins. And then we've got a Dobbins cleat card, really thick one. I'll have to get a magnetic for that one. That's going to the Ravens. Put a sleeve on there. Set it there. And then we've got a Raiders card. Ruggs. Henry Ruggs III. Am I right? I'm pretty sure. Yep, Raiders. That's a gloves card also. So we had how many Alabama guys in this? Like 3? That's box 1. I'll get them down eventually. I'm getting a little better. I picked up 1 or 2. So, awesome. That's box 1. I will move into box 2 here in a second. I'll get off and then I'll come back on, retag everybody who's in 2, and we will knock that break out. So, see you in a few minutes, and then we'll keep moving, hopefully, and get 3 done. Get this whole case done. All right. I will catch you later in a couple minutes.